Hey guys, today we'll see how to add custom fonts and custom colors in Tailwind CSS V4 plus Vite plus Tailwind CSS. Okay, so you can see guys, right now I taken one simple text and all guys, like background color and with text. Okay, so now we'll see how we can add the custom font to this. Okay, so for that you need to go in Google first. Okay, so just search here for Google fonts. Okay, first we'll go for it. Okay, Google fonts are there, so here you will get a lot of fonts, so you can pick anyone guys from here. Okay, so which one will pick? Okay, so we'll pick this guys. This is something different from this, so one different will take. Okay, so this you can see guys. So here, after going here, just click on get font. Okay, so you will get like this. You can see guys, here is Dodo and here is big count grid double is there. We'll take this Dodo or big count grid double. Okay, we'll take bit count grid double. Okay, after this just go and get embedded code. Okay, so here you need to go for import. Okay, then after here just copy this file guys. Okay, just copy it and go here, go in your index.css file. And one more thing is, you need to copy this file before Tailwind CSS. Okay, before importing Tailwind CSS you need to add here that file. Okay, then after adding, what you need to do guys, after adding we need to add this font family. Okay, so what I'll do, so we'll give you one example guys here how to add that. So Tailwind custom font, I'll open it. So how to add custom fonts, that one example I'll tell you guys here. So here you can see guys, there is add theme. This method we need to use guys, that is add theme, then the font name and font family we need to use. Okay, so what I'll do guys, I'm going here and here you can see I'll add. So here I have to add like add theme, and here my font name will come. So I will take like, give some space guys. So here there will be a font and here the font name will come. Okay, so what is the font name, that I'll see first. So the font name is this guys, bit count grid double. Okay, so this is the font name. So same I can take, or you can change also guys. Okay, you can take different name also there. Then here it will come guys. Then if this is not working, then we'll go with serif. Okay, so here we are now. So here font I got, then the name will do like this guys. Okay, now what I'll do guys, I will try to apply this here because imported, here added. Now we'll see whether it will work or not. Okay, so I'm going here. So here I'll add font and here my font will come. Okay, we'll see guys whether it is working or not. Okay, now you can see guys, here it is not applied, so something is missing. Okay, I'll go here. Okay, we'll take your double quotes guys. Okay, okay, now also it is not reflecting, so the name should be I think same. So we'll see this also. Okay, now also it is not reflecting, so we'll change only the name like this. Okay, font bit count. We'll take here bit count. It should work, right? What is happening? We'll try for different font guys. This font is not taking. We'll see for Dodo. Earlier it was coming like Dodo font was there. Wait. We'll check for Dodo. Sorry, it is. Okay, this we'll try and check. Some font it will support or not. That also need to check guys. So I'm copying this file now. Paste it here. Okay. The font name is Dodo here. So I'm adding here like Dodo and here also Dodo. Okay. Here we'll change with Dodo. Now we'll see guys. Now you can see guys, here it is applying, right? So I think some fonts are not supporting guys. So Dodo is supporting. So you can see guys, Dodo is working now. Okay. Okay. Now suppose if you want to take the same Dodo in different method guys, that is for example, you can do like this also. So you can go back and you can download the file, this Dodo file. Okay, you can download it. You can open this file after downloading. Okay, and you can pick anything from here. So I'll take Dodo regular, copy this, go in our files. Okay, so here in source you need to create one file guys. In assets you need to create one file, that is font. Okay, fonts. In that just add this guys. So here you can see guys, already I have added, that is Dodo regular. Okay, Dodo symbol I'll remove for now. So Dodo regular you need to add in source. Okay, as a font folder you need to create, in that you need to add this. Okay, I have added now. just go here, come here now, just copy it, comment it as earlier whatever you use that we need to comment. Then after that here we need to take like at font face. Okay, so here my font family will come, that is a Doto. So not Doto, we are taking Doto regular, right? Doto regular. So copy it, paste it here. Here also we need to take the path, that is a src, then assets, then fonts, then Doto regular. Okay, now this Doto regular will add this font now. Okay, here now we'll see. Now you can see as it is reflecting. I have commented this part is okay. Sorry, this I have commented. I'm using this now font face. So like this also you can do it. You can import, you can download, and you can use. Okay. So this is about font guys, how to add font. And I told you guys some fonts are not supporting. So we need to take the supported font only. Okay. Now we'll see how to add the color guys. Because if you want font custom font color, then how you can add that. Okay. So for that, only what you need to do guys, it is very simple guys. Just go here, just add like font. Sorry. Here just make it colors. And here I'll take like primary, okay, and I'll change the color. I'll take here one color guys. So which one I should take? This, okay, or here I'll take directly guys, red. We'll see. I think this will not work, so I have to take in hexadecimal format only. So I'll take here FFC 6C4. I have this one color, we'll see. Okay, so here is color primary. So this color font we need to add here guys. Okay, so here how to add that? So text primary. So you can see its color has been changed, right? So here it is pink. So text color is pink. You can see it. I'll make it like, okay, this is constant, so I can't change now. Here, so I'll make this as FF. Okay, F. So for F, you can see white. So you can see that the color is white. Okay, so for hexadecimal black color, we'll check colors. Okay, Indian red. We'll see this guys. Copy it. Go here. Paste it here. Okay, now you can see here. You can see this color has been changed. It became red, right? It is not visible, but it is red color, guys. Okay, so if I go here, okay, red color. I'll check for black as well, so I can show you this properly, right? So where is black? Black. Okay, so black is hash 00. Okay, you can see guys, now it is black. Okay, so like this, what you can do guys, you can add colors also. Okay, you can add colors also here. And suppose if you want background color also, that also you can do guys. So for background color, what you need to do, BG, and here you need to add primary. Okay, so you can see BG primary, it is taking black background. You can see guys, this text is not visible because background is black, right? And if I make it white, sorry, if I make this white, both will be visible. You can see that both is visible. Okay, so like this you can add the custom fonts and custom color guys. Okay, so I hope you got how to add custom fonts and custom color. As I told you, some fonts are not supporting us, that you need to check. Okay, and if you have any question guys, you can comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting.